Hey YouTube, today the video is about unboxing my not so new Motorola Moto One Action, and this should be the North American version. Just order it from Costco. Okay, let's open this. Here it is. And this is the Moto One Action. There's a cover on it. There's something protecting it too. Let's open the box. Let's see what's inside. Motor charger. Wire. USB. Is there anything else in here? Okay, nothing under. Oh, nice little packaging here. Okay, you have an instruction. Okay. Legal safety, regulatory information, okay. And this should be the pin to install the SIM card and a micro SD card. Okay, gonna power it up. I'll have to remove this. It's going to be easier like this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, that model is XT 2013-4. Okay, now I have put my SIM card in. Have used it for a couple of hours. Like it very much. I like it. So far so good. And of course I bought some net dot USB wire to charge the phone, and I like to use the magnetic one. This is doing wonderful thing. You put this here and it stays there, so when you want to charge, there you go, it's done. No need to wiggle and break the adapter there. You just bring the magnet and you're done. Oh, here it's snowing and you can see snow falling. That's cute. So that's it for the unboxing of my not so new Moto One Action, and this is the North American version, and I hope it's gonna be a real Android One phone, cause on that phone it's not stamped Android One, it's stamped Motorola One. So I will have to find out, maybe go on the Lenovo forum, if it's going to be a true Android One phone. Okay, I've been using the phone since December 16. We are now December 22. So the phone is smooth. What I don't like is there's no turbocharge. My old Moto G5 charges way faster than this. Or maybe I'm wrong, since this battery is a little bit bigger, but you don't see the turbocharge like Moto G5. Camera is good. Did not try yet the action cam on the phone. Just took a couple pictures and looks good. Of course, can't live without the FM radio. This is something I like about Motorola. Headphone jack, of course. You need this for the FM radio. You can see a notification by using your finger on the back and swipe it down like this. So that's cool. That's Moto Action. Is there something else I should say? Well, from my Moto G5 Plus to this phone, I like it. My Moto G5 is still a very snappy and very good phone, but no more update, so that's why I changed. The casing I bought from Amazon. It's a Strug casing. The good addition for this is the ring behind, so you can put your finger in and you're not going to drop it. You can use it as a stand, watching a movie like this. If you have a magnetic stand, it's gonna stick to it easily. Don't need to add any metal on the phone. The case came with protective glass. I'm using a magnetic charging cable. This is fun. So that's about it, folks. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, share, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.